How do city councils make blunders with eminent domain? Imagine a city promising new parks, jobs, and better roads, only to take your property and leave you with nothing. That's what can happen when city councils mess up with eminent domain. Eminent domain is the government's power to take private land for public use, but they have to pay fair compensation. Sometimes, city councils promise big redevelopment projects to justify taking land. They claim it will boost the economy or create jobs, but often these projects never happen. The land gets seized, and years later, all that's left are empty lots or dirt fields with no real benefit to the community. This wastes taxpayer money and leaves property owners feeling betrayed. Another common mistake is valuation errors. City councils sometimes undervalue properties or make technical mistakes when calculating how much they owe owners. This is especially tricky with complex assets like air rights or properties with special conditions. Property owners without legal help often accept low offers, while those with lawyers negotiate better deals. When valuations are off, property owners get less than what their land is worth, which is unfair and can cause disputes. Procedural errors also happen a lot. City councils might wrongly identify who owns the land, or they might determine property lines incorrectly. Sometimes they pay the wrong people or forget to notify property owners properly. These mistakes force owners to spend time and money fixing errors, and sometimes the government doesn't recover the extra payments, wasting public funds. City councils sometimes use eminent domain for questionable reasons too. For example, they might target minority-owned businesses or homes for redevelopment under questionable pretenses. Often, the land remains unused for years, which shows a lack of respect for property rights and raises ethical questions. In some places, outdated or vague laws about eminent domain are exploited. Local governments can use legal loopholes to seize land that they never develop or properly compensate for. This can create strange scenes of abandoned lots or underused land, making neighborhoods look odd or neglected. For property owners, it's important to get legal help. Knowing how to challenge valuations and procedural mistakes can protect your rights. For city councils, being transparent, accurate, and respectful of property rights can prevent costly blunders and community anger. When done right, eminent domain can serve the public good without causing unfair losses or strange urban landscapes.